Hello everyone! Today's recipe is steamed pork ribs in lotus leaf. If you like dim sum steamed pork, you will definitely love this. Each tender juicy pork rib piece is infused with spices and unique tea-like flavor from the lotus leaf. This dish is going to be a talking point at the dining table. Here are the ingredients. Lotus leaves can be found in dried form in Asian shops and come in various sizes. You can use a single big leaf or two smaller leaves. Let's clean the chopped pork ribs. It is important to clean the pork ribs properly to remove any residual blood as it will affect the taste of the dish. First, rinse the pieces and drain. Then add some corn flour and some water. Mix the pieces to ensure each piece is coated with the solution. Massage for a minute or so and then drain off. Rinse and drain with clean water for the final time and it is done. Dry the pork ribs with paper towel. This will help with the absorption of the marinade later. Add Chinese 5 spices, followed by light soya bean sauce. Next, add dark soya bean sauce and then some pepper. Add sesame oil and finally some corn flour. Using clean hands, mix and massage thoroughly. Then set aside for at least 30 minutes. Here I have a big lotus leaf and I will be cutting it into halves. It is normal for dried lotus leaf to have some holes due to the drying process. Double the layers when wrapping, the parcel will retain the flavors. Use a big pan or wok. Boil some water deep enough to soak the lotus leaf. Place the lotus leaf into the boiling water for 1 minute to kill the bacteria. Flip and move the leaf so that all parts can come in contact with the water. Turn off the heat and let it soak for 10 minutes. It's time to remove the lotus leaf. Rinse under running water. Select a deep, high heat resistant dish. Cut off the spiny end of the leaf to make it easier to fold. Arrange the lotus leaves with the top of the leaf side facing up. Set this aside. Peel and slice ginger into thin slices. Next, peel and mince the garlic. Cut the Chinese parsley into lengths of about 3 inches long. Cut the capsicums into halves. De-seed and wash the capsicum halves to remove the seeds completely. Cut into thin strips. When it is time to steam, place the capsicum on the lotus leaf first, followed by the marinated ribs. Put the ginger slices and then the garlic mince. lastly followed by the parsley. Wrap it up tightly into a parcel. Flip over so that the opening is faced downwards. Steam in high heat for 60 minutes. It is smelling so heavenly already. Remove from the heat and keep it wrapped until it is time for serving. Let's open the parcel carefully. This is smelling and looking fantastic. I am sure that your family or guests will be impressed. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.